How to fix live wallpaper not working on Android. First, try changing the live wallpaper. Long press on the empty area on your home screen. Tap on the option Wallpaper and Style. Now tap on this option Change Wallpaper. You can see various options. Tap on the option Live Wallpaper. Select any other live wallpaper. After you do that, tap on the option Home Screen or Lock Screen. Tap on the right icon. Tap on the option Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen that you can see on the screen. Now the live paper has been set successfully. Now you can see over here it should start working. If it still does not work, what you can do is simply try restarting your device. There might be some temporary software glitches. Long press on the power button. Find the option for restart and tap on it. After a while, your device will be restarted. Now the live wallpaper should start working. If it still does not work, look for the software update for your device. Because of no software update, there might be some bugs. So in that case, open the settings of your device. Scroll down. Find the option for system, tap on it. Tap on the option software update. Look for the update. If the version is up to date, you do not have to do anything. If there is software update available, tap on the option update. Wait for a while and the software will be updated. Now the bug should be fixed and the live wallpaper should start working. Like this, you'll be able to fix live wallpaper not working on Android. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.